Happy Sunday, guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD once again, and in this video, we are going to talk about DITO. Very intriguing DITO. So what I did today, I just simply read through some articles and visited the social media feed of Instagrams, and probably from there I can share my thoughts around it. But guys, please um, this is just my honest opinion, and you might have your own thoughts around it, so use this for entertainment purposes, okay? Whatever your next steps are, please do your research, because that's your hard-earned money, right? So for those people who have not read the latest update here, there was a tweet yesterday about DITO CME Holdings canceling the 8 billion rights offer due to weak demand and poor market conditions. This is according to Eric Alberto. Okay, he adds those who subscribed will be refunded at the soonest possible time. So, in other words, because of the poor demand, Dito is canceling the SRO. Probably it did not meet the requirement or the amount they're expecting to generate. So they'd rather return the money. Okay. Um, and a lot of people are panicking. Some of them are saying that there could be a next or a possible gap down, but some are saying that this could be an opportunity because everyone's fearful. Institutions might even take this opportunity to start buying and start accumulating. So a lot of speculations happening around it. And today I also found this article from, again, billionario.com, and it says here, Hans C. China Bank had committed to fully subscribe to Dito's 8 billion SRO club. So is it, I'm thinking probably they got into this arrangement before they finally this disclosed that they're canceling it. So there's already a sure buyer of the full SRO amount, or the 8 billion stocks rights offering. So I don't know which came first, right? But this is going to be, at least they, with this kind of commitment, or I don't know if it's already a done deal. Uh, at least they're able to reach their desired amount through CHIB. Okay, so let me read through some of the content here. China Bank, chaired by billionaire Han Si, had fully committed to buy all of Dito CME Holdings' 8 billion stock rights offerings as the sole underwriter of the aborted fundraising of debt-burdened businessman Dennis Uy. Based on the terms and conditions of the Dito SRO, CHIB, through its investment banking arm China Bank Capital, committed to buy any shares not taken up by the institutional investors to ensure that the offer shares are fully subscribed. So Uy's PH Resource Holdings, which is building a casino hotel in Cebu, owes 6 billion in loans to CHIB. Okay, so let's see what are the next steps here. But I think the main concerns of the people here would be the timing. When will they get the refund? Because some are saying that if there's a possible gap down, they are even saying that it could go back to the 1 peso level. And if their money is stuck in there and it will take a while, they will not be able to participate in getting in at a much lower price, right? So that's something that they're also worried about. The second is they wanted, they're thinking that possible tomorrow, uh, Dito could be halted or suspended so that it will make way for uh, um, the refund of those people who already committed some shares. Okay. So we'll find out. We'll find out. But overall, let me see here our DITO chart. Okay, so let's take a look at the DITO chart. Let me just set up my tools here. DITO. Let me go to the weekly chart. Okay, so if this is going to, let's try to make some inferences here. If they say that it will go on a gap down, where could it possibly go? Where could be the next resistance? I don't think it will go all the way to 1 peso right away. So if it is going to go gap down, probably it will retest their previous resistance here first. 3.76. Probably up to this level. I don't think, personally, my honest opinion here is it will not uh, go back to the 1 peso level first. It will stabilize here. And then the reason why I'm saying that is because we are already here. See this? In this support area, you're already actually having a bullish divergence here. So if you go click this one, this is your initial support, the 5 peso. I was mentioning this in the past. 5 peso level is our support. And then your RSI is already gaining bullish divergence here. So if some people are saying there could be a gap down, if it is going to go gap down, the next stop is your previous resistance, which is 3.76. On the other hand, my second inference is that if majority is fearful about the price dropping, I think that's the reverse psychology of the reverse psychology happens in the eyes of our big players. So notice our in the past few days, we already have a lot of foreign buying and the sentiment. A lot of uh, big institutions are already accumulating. So I don't think it will reach 1 peso. So two things again. It's either it will just stay at the 5 peso level, it will go up, or if it is going to drop over here, next stop is 3.76, and then that's the area that I'm thinking the big players will get in. They'll take advantage of that fear that will happen probably in the first 30 or first 1 hour of the day, and then they will get in because they will think, a lot of people who may have entered here, they will cut their losses because it might go gap down. It will continue dropping, and then institutions enter right here, and then it will go back. So that's my take. So if you want to get in here, so by the way, I'm on a weekly chart. If you want to get in here, uh, be ideally watch the market in a faster time frame, so you will be able to take advantage of that high volatility that will happen. Okay, but personally, I as I was mentioning in my previous videos, I am invested in DITO, and these things are just noise for me because my outlook here is long term. So I really wish it goes to 3.76. If that happens, I could add more. But I don't think 1 peso is going to happen anytime soon. And I think that's far fetched. Okay, so there you have it, your entertainment for this Sunday. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Uh, I've been very honest with you with regards to fundamental analysis. My area of somehow expertise is really into the technical, so I really need your insights as well, so that we can learn from one another. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and bye bye.